Well, hello. This is going to be a short tutorial video to show you how to look up your birth chart in my most favorite way. There seems to be some confusion on, the chart layout, and there is like a couple of setting tweaks that you can do to make your birth chart much easier to read and understand. So I'm going to go ahead and share my screen really quickly. And mm, I guess we're doing this way. Okay, let me go back to here. Here we go. All right. Now, this is my favorite site. It's called astro-seek.com. There is another one called astro.com is another good one. But I would say visually, this is my favorite. So I recommend just going here. And I'm going to give you a tutorial based on this site. And what you do is as soon as you open up this page, you'll see birth chart right there. So you can just click on birth chart. Very simple. You're going to scroll down a little and you'll see where you can enter in your birth data. I'm going to go ahead and kind of make this a little bit bigger. Now, you do need to know your birth time. This is very important. If you do not know your birth time, you can do birth time rectification. That is a specific technique. And but first, try to get your birth certificate and hopefully it is on there. So I'm just going to come up with a random birth time here. Let's just say this person is born on June 20th, 1980. Make sure you get your AM and your PM correct. So let's just say 7:04 p.m., for example. Then you need to put in a city. I'm just going to put Chicago, Illinois. And then here is what's very important, this step. Do you see down here in this light gray, it says extended settings, house system aspects, orbs. You want to click on this and you will see it opens up these options. Now, what I am wanting you to change here, because it defaults to this house system, which is Placidus, which is a newer system. I prefer more ancient astrology and Hellenistic astrology. So I like the whole sign. I practice using whole sign houses, and that's it. There's another one that says whole sign ASC horizontal. Not that one, just whole sign right there. And once you have changed the house system to whole sign, you are going to calculate chart. Click on that. And then you're done. Here is a birth chart. What I like about whole sign is that you get the whole sign over one whole house rather than it being all convoluted. And you can have like two signs in a house. No, we always have a single sign over a single house. And this to me makes interpretation much easier. I find it to be more accurate. I have played with Placidus with clients. I prefer whole sign. Now, not to say that other systems are wrong. It's just more about preference and style and what I feel more aligned to. So there was some confusion when I had done the money explained, your money element explained, and people were giving me different elements within their money houses. Whereas in this situation, you're going to have the same element in all of your money houses, whether it's all earth or all fire, all water, all air, for example. So just make sure to click on that whole sign on the extended settings. You'll see that also in astro.com. Let me just take a look here at astro.com. If my internet will move. Okay, so horoscopes. My my Astro. Oh, I'm already logged in. I don't think this will work well for me. Nope, this is not going to work well for me. I just prefer Astro-Seek. So go here and everything's laid out pretty nicely. Let me show you what it looks like if I were to select Placidus, because you can go down here, back here underneath this whole chart and change it again if you want to. Okay. And let's say I go to Placidus, you will see that redraw. You will see that, do you see how the signs like this Capricorn is in the first house and the second house. Um, they're all different sizes. It's just a bit more confusing for someone who's new into this, and it's a little harder to read. And so yeah, that's my point. And look, when we go back to whole sign, which you can do this right here, redraw, click on redraw, and it's just going to be a lot cleaner. Okay. All right. Well, I hope that this was helpful for you. Go to astro-seek.com and just make sure you do whole sign houses. And so all of my future videos, when I bring in astrology content, just know that I'm wanting you to refer to your birth chart based on whole sign house system. Okay. Thanks so much. Make sure to like, subscribe, and hit that bell so that you can be notified when a new video is up every week.